Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 6th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the 1 hour time frame, we did end up making a pretty good bounce at the support area over here. This was support in the past, acted as support in the future. Now, I am definitely still bearish because of the higher time frames, unless we start getting major breaks of structure. This right here is my last major break of structure area. So if it breaks above there, then yeah, we definitely want to go back to being bullish. But I still think that we're likely in a downtrend on the 4 hour to daily time frame in a wave C. So if that's true, then we definitely want to have our Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive down. If we see like a break to the downside at one of these key Fibonacci levels, then I definitely would take it as a short based on the higher time frames. As long as it doesn't break this structure, I definitely will stay bearish. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.